Hi everyone, I am M. Elarasi working as a primary school teacher in Puducherry. I have rendered 17 years of teaching experience in which 6 years goes in rural and the rest in urban. I have featured as a guide for the students from class 1 to 8 in National Scouts and Guides and have participated in many remarkable trainings, to be particular, English language learning and teaching in Regional Institute of English Language, South India at Bangalore, and role of puppetry in education in Center for Cultural Resources and Training at Hyderabad, and so on. In 2019, I was appreciated and awarded for improving education quality through Zero Investment Innovations, presented by Honorable Minister MHRD in collaboration with HDFC Bank and Sri Aurobindo Society. All these milestones made me to achieve the Chief Minister's Best Teacher Award at state level for the year 2020. Puducherry, where I live and work, is one of the Union Territory and is located at the southeast coastline of India. It is a former French colony and it is well known for its rich heritage and culture. There are many must-visit places in our district like the most spiritual and peaceful Sri Aurobindo Ashram, City of Dawn Auroville Ashram, Park Monument Ayi Mandapam, Archaeological Site Arikamedu, Beauty of Nature Ushteri Lake, and the Rock Beach, Bay of Bengal, etc. Apart from all these tourist spots, there is also a particular place where you can see abundance of creativity, knowledge, obedience, discipline, love, peace, all are bundled together. Yes, I am talking about my school only, which comes under the control of Zone 2, a division in our education department. My school is used to call as Government Primary School, situated at Venila Nagar, Saram. It was started in the year of 1979 with about 30 students, but now successfully running with 75 students, 6 teachers and a great headmistress. The problem I faced among my class children is dishonesty and inappropriate way of handling money, because the parents are earning money by their hard work, but the children at their age of 13 are not able to realize the value of it. Moreover, they are using that money which they are getting by compelling their parents on their way rush to work. They used to buy lot of useless accessories and branded junk food items which would spoil their health too. And also these habits slowly paved the way of stealing things from their friends itself. I want my children to lead a honest life and also to realize the value of money as well as the hard work of their parents. In 2019, I attended a national conference, Zero Investment Innovations for Education Initiatives, organized by Sri Aurobindo Society at IIT Delhi. There were about 500 teachers from 28 states and the conference held for 10 days. I can get n number of ideas in that conference, both in academic and co-curricular aspects. These sessions built up a confidence within me that I could play several noteworthy roles in my children's life like guru, guardian, learning instructor, mentor, guru, etc. and also can show them the path of success for their whole life. And also this workshop kindled my attitude towards the teaching profession. Our hands were kept knotted in this COVID-19 pandemic situation, and there was a long distance created between the teachers and the children, and we were left helpless. As a boon of help, the innovative Padashala training for 20 weeks organized by Sri Aurobindo Society in collaboration with HDFC Bank and in support of Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan SSA acted as a bridge between the education department, the teachers and the children. I wholeheartedly thanks the resource persons of this innovative Padashala training for giving us such a useful training on the topics various online modes of teaching and a brief note on Bloom's taxonomy lesson plans. The sessions were very much interesting and interactive that even I started to implement in my online classes also. After attending all these trainings, I find a solution for the problem. Though we often perceive money in a materialistic sense, it has been observed that when children use money more responsibly and wisely, they grow up to become a responsible person. In this activity, I motivated my children to save their pocket money as a token of love in their piggy bank. They made their piggy bank and decorate it during their art and craft sessions and keep it on their homes. They also take the money from this piggy bank on any special occasions like birthday or festivals to buy sweets and gifts for their parents, friends, relatives. They are also instructed to keep a note and like a passbook to note down the details of money they deposit and they withdraw. From time to time, the teacher checks the passbook of the students just to keep a tab whether they are using the passbook properly or not. Our school children has achieved many awards from our government both in academic and co-curricular activities. In my opinion, it is possible because of our colorful, thematic, painted classroom walls done by the teachers, print-rich surroundings, attractive and illustrative learning materials, innovative teaching technologies, and well-equipped playground and play materials, and etc. Each classroom has their own reading corner, science and maths corner, and a play zone where the children can relax when they finish up their worksheets very fast. The motto of our school is to impart knowledge, values, virtues among the children and to be a source of inspiration to them at school. From these above notes, it is easily predictable that our school is one of the role model schools in our district. I am very proud to be a part of my role model school. My first and foremost thanks to Sri Aurobindo Society and HDFC Bank for conducting such a useful, innovative Padashala training for 20 weeks where we can get inspire hope, ignite our imaginations, instill a love of learning. My heartfelt gratitude to our Education Department Director, Mr. Rudragraud Sir, who enhanced others to accomplish their responsibilities in a manner which enhance the individual and the collective growth of the school children. I would like to thank the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan for its unyielding commitment towards the upliftment of school education, and also they gave us an opportunity to take part in this innovative Padashala training. Thank you.